Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over Gold Miners Junior, ETF ticker symbol GDXJ. Today we closed down 2% and I do believe we may head lower. On the 1 hour chart, we are currently oversold on the 1 hour RSI. Same as the 4 hour RSI, we are oversold. What I believe may happen will be on oversold conditions, there could be some short covers, but it is not a real, say, reversal for the bulls. So we have not seen any buying action. Instead, we may find some support that will last maybe 1 or 2 days around this level. Reason why? As we can see, there is past resistance, and past resistance act as support now. So this support dates back to, let's move this a bit lower. Support dates back to October of last year. So we could say we are slightly below it. We may approach it to test if support is real. And we also did breach the 200-day moving average. There's a lot of momentum downward, and on the daily chart, we still have room to go because the RSI is not oversold. So on to the next module, I'll compare the current chart with this chart. This chart dates back to May 16, 2018. to July 27, 2018. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So let's start in the beginning of the trend. We have candle breaching the upper Bollinger Band and then receding back down to the bottom Bollinger Band. And then we have an attempt to make another second breach on the upper Bollinger Band, and then the trend continues to drop lower and lower. On the third attempt to move on higher, it only got past to the middle Bollinger Band, and we will make that blue, and then we see a downtrend afterward. So we have that point on the current trend. On the trend that dated back of last year, we have the beginning of trend reaching the upper Bollinger Band, and once more after reaching the upper Bollinger Band, it traces back to the bottom band, and then we see a wave motion of cresting and troughing, and we do see another attempt going down, lower lows, confirming a downward trend. And we do see in this attempt another trial for the middle Bollinger Band, but it failed, and we see the pattern of downward channel, same as what we see on the current trend. So what we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points that are similar. And there's reason to believe if the trend is similar, the outcome will be also similar. So let's check the forecasts. So I'll go day by day where GDXJ or Gold Miners Junior will head to in next coming days. We are currently at day 0, 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. And again, the trend that we took a look at was May 16 to July 27, 2018. Back then, GDXJ fell approximately 1.5%. So I do see gold miners heading lower due to this downward momentum. And as we compare the chart, the lines, they correlate in fashionable manner. And that's all. If you enjoy this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.